Thank you very much for being here. We can start this second day after a really fantastic last session. Could you please turn? Gracias. After a first day, really great, and end fantastic with this tango session, really impressive. So thank you very much. Let's go directly to what we need to do this first day. But before, another short presentation of Labi and what we have been doing during these years. Because during these last 4 years, mainly 4 years, we have been building more than a network. We have been building an ecosystem, really connecting people, infrastructure, and practices to bridge the gap between technology and discovery. So I'm going to get deep on how are we doing and building this ecosystem, and specifically more focusing on the training and education working group in this case, and this part of the community. And to start, we can start with one individual, with individual trajectories, in this case, one person, and how can we truly transform from the individual to the ecosystem. So we have the last year, the Train the Trainer. This was a joint initiative with thanks Claire Brown that it's here now, that is the mentor of this Train the Trainer in microscopy, that we developed this course to train how to train fundamentals in microscopy. So there was a course organized between Labi, Canada Bioimaging, with the support of Global Bioimaging, in which Andrés, Rossi, Marcela, and Victoria play a key role organizing this event. And we are really happy also that there are many people that participate on that course here. I see Pablo, Taina, and many others here. And what is important of this? After this Train the Trainer, we reshape our working group, the training and education working group, so we get together all that people to really continue working together in regional strategies. This group, as you know, is chaired by Marcela, Andrés, and Victoria. And now we are thinking on a regional curriculum, that also was shown later before, on fundamentals on microscopy that can be then adaptable to each local needs and also requirements. So it's fundamentals, the theory, it's a common curriculum that then will be implemented at the local level. And a big component of the Train the Trainer is that then these trainees can really transform into trainers and expand the knowledge into the rest of the ecosystem. And we have the specific cases of the courses, of the fundamental courses in Montevideo, in Buenos Aires, other short versions in other countries. I know that there are going to be others the next year. So that is expanding the knowledge into the region. And the main thing here is, beside, of course, that was its key, Marcela, Andrés, and Victoria, that those are cases that are key, but the main thing here is that we are seeing that connecting people strategically really not only transform the individuals, but also change into the whole ecosystem. So, seeing this, we move now to the main topics of today, that is the data science and infrastructure. We now start also the first session, the keynote speaker with Stefan Pepichot. I invite Leonel Malacri that we moderate that session to get on the stage. Thank you.